Kumshi benta ka jing Treikam ya ka general strike ka belong ha barok kawi kari India bandawa na ka sorkar ban pinurlong no ya ki kattu ka ni kimat jing dawa kinong yalam ka Center of Medical and Sales Representatives Union North East Region ha ka jing yalam upar thade President kila penlong da ka jing Īakhih ba jai ha khamat ka Civil Hospital Shillong. Hagan ka sngi lawan management da ki Medical and Sales Representatives na kaleng ka jela ki badon hagan ni ka kinhon. Habakran chikilat patay kubor upar thadep ulaong baki don kumbak hatway tali kikat jingdawa kabaka kinhon kalabu hakmat ka sorkar bakan top yah nyaw tali na kabenta ka sorkar India artali ya ka sorkar jela bat artali pat na kabenta ki bathungkam yaki. Nalor kata ulaong ru ba ka jing Īakhih kan yaj baro shisngi bat kumta ula kerpat yaki way ru bakin snok tilang hagan ni ka jing Īakhih jongki.
We are from CRU, the Center of Medical and Sales Representative Union. I am the president of the organization out here in Shillong, and he is a district secretary. We are putting this today on strike because of some of the demands which we give to the government as well as to our employers. So that is why mainly we are here and we are into this strike. We have an objection to for this labor laws which the government is up to now. They are trying to scrap those laws which has been given to us in long back with all the fights and all which we have achieved. Now they are into the government is trying to make it in a code form, in food code, which is always against our labor. Like we consider ourselves to be a workman and workmen in that case we say that it is against us. The government should not scrap the labor laws and should not implement this four codes. So we oppose that four codes that government is trying to implement now. These strikes are ongoing strike. It has been that government has been trying to impose this law code for long back, but due to regular intervals, all the organization we are trying to always say our opposition to this strike. The government they cannot come up with the proper discussion with our parent bodies, organizations and all. They cannot unilaterally they cannot impose this thing. As the strike is all India strike, so here in Meghalaya we are just holding a peaceful demonstration and we are showing to the public also that demands that we not only for us, the demands some of the demands which are we are going for the public as well, because there are in everyday you see there are lots of issues, medical related issues, price rise, all those things are also coming up. So this is not only with one demand, there are 11 demands that we have kept, and among this for us at the same time for the general public also we are having those demands. Yeah, it is for whole day, but in here you could see in Shillong we do in a very peaceful way, and we want to pass on the message to the general public also through you. We can also pass on the message that these demands are very much genuine for general public as well as for us at the same time. So this is what we wanted to convey to the government as well to the general public. Yeah, this is for today itself. For today itself, and the strike is all India strike. No. There are lots of people, they are scattered here and there because there are lots of people who will be trying to violate this strike. What today we are opposing the government. So there are people who are trying to violate those things. So we have given our members some direction that they should spread out and they should stop those people who are trying to violate today's strike.
Habatin, page bahagi kashab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki batay kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau khao kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pet ya kashab plus F hakajing som. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bat akabathau bha kam khta ikadur jingki marbam kajing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki.
Balehi banai kita.
Kadon ka we kajing mentoy ba kongsan. Ka kot ka kia. Ka nutrition ba kambha kajing im ba kambha pendon kam daki marba medon ka sharp plus F menta kasni.
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.